The other major alternative what has come up, or the modern change what has come up in the banking, is the internet banking. This internet banking is a revolutionary change which has come up in the banking system. The internet banking provides an alternative for us, like every bank, every account holder will be given a particular number as his ID and a particular password for him to ensure that that particular person only operates that particular accounting system. So as soon as he enters his particular ID and the password, the bank ensures him to entry into the website. In the website, he can do the transfers, like he can transfer the money, he can get money from the other people, he can do the payments for the different people, and he can also ensure that his payments are done for him. He clears all the bills, and as per the changes of the system, he moves on doing all the necessary changes. It's like having a bank in his own hand. He can deposit the money from the other accounts to his account. He can transfer his money from his account to the other accounts. He can clear the bills. He can pay the bills, and he can ask for a request for the checkbook. He can request for a credit card. In this way, we have the various other transactions and the credits which are added for the internet banking. The internet banking is a major advantage because you can work 24/7, like 24 hours, any point of time, whenever you are free, you can get access to that. And even on Sunday also, you can transfer your amounts. When the banks are not working, even on holidays, you can get it accessed, and your loving ones will get the details of your accounts on the website or as an SMS of deposited or the deducted kinds of the amounts. And the other major change what we got is the fixed deposits. What is a fixed deposit? The fixed deposits are the deposits which are made on the money. Like you can take a certain amount of money and deposit it in a bank and ensure that that particular amount is being doubled for every 5 years, 7 years or 9 years. Like grandfather told to a grandson that his amount is going to be increased by the time he comes to college. For example, if they deposit 10,000 rupees, this 10,000 is going to grow in a period of 2 years, 5 years and 7 years. He could not understand why it is growing, because this particular 10,000 amount is kept in a fixed amount. The interest rates are very high for them. So when you add the amount plus interest, you get the extra benefits what we are getting for it. And if you keep the same fixed deposit for a certain period of more than 5 years, you get almost the amount to be doubled, because the interest is almost very high. In this way, the fixed deposits will ensure the people to safely, securely put their money and get back their money in return very safely in a secure manner, and it also fulfills a particular purpose in their life. That is the purpose why the fixed deposits are made, or in short forms they are known as FDs. In this way, the work has been done by the banking is a commendable work. We have the other major initiative which was done by the banks, that is loans. Till now we have discussed about the various kinds of accounts which are held by the banks. We have seen the saving banks account, we have seen the current banking system or the current account system, then we have moved on to the check system, then we have discussed about the ATM system, then we have come out to the system of the check or as well as the online transactions or the internet banking. Then we moved on to the fixed deposits. Now what about the loan system? Who are eligible for this? For whom the amount is given? Will the bank give for them, or we have to pay for the bank? On what percentage we have to pay back to the bank? These all will be discussed right now.